And you see itong Quezon City, they're getting off the break, getting off their transition game. First quarter, marami pang energy itong mga players natin.
A 3. That won't work. Panganiban grabs the board. And there goes Manalastas cleaning it up.
Nice pass inside. Manalastas finishing.
Here come the white shirts. Aniano, Nausan Buenaventura. Hinagis na lang. And there it goes once again. Manalastas, 4 straight points.
He's very comfortable working inside, even if he's a bit undersized. Talking about Noah Manalastas.
Had a chance to make it 6 straight. Kaso, di pumasok. Parang hindi ko nakikita yata yung kapatid ni Chelsea Joyce dito, Coach.
Diyan yun. Carl.
Oo. Katago ba itong si Carl Ang?
Mahirap itago yun. 6'2 yata yung si Carl.
Here comes Manalastas once again. Point blank miss. The second time around it goes. Gusto pala yung meron depensa.
Gusto yung may hoop, the arm.
And a chance for more as we take a look at our pound for pound fitness. Foul counted play of the quarter.
Ayan po mga ka-challenge, maglalaro na po sila Noah ngayon. Ang kalaban po nila Noah ay Quezon City. Valenzuela versus Quezon City. Ang aking madulahi sa supporters po ni Kuya Noah. Ano sasabihin niyo sa Kuya Noah niya? Ano pa lang yan? Rehearsal pa lang ha? Rehearsal pa lang yan ha? Luis! Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo sa tunak?
And forward 27, Sam Sanasan. Forward 29, Noah Manalastas. And at center, 9, Andre Pony. And coach is Luis Ventura. As a part of the national program. Michael Mills Jr. BPL on Leon.
Baka kayo biglang mahulog, ha? Magpipin ko po ang aking anak. Ayan, kinakabahan ako.
Noah Manalastas having a game for himself early in this night.
Noah Manalastas, his current averages 6 points, almost 6 rebounds, so 6-6. 6 points and 6 rebounds per
Ngayon,
game.
6 points na siya agad eh.
Yun nga eh. Ituloy-tuloy niya yan.
Pa din ang bola. 4 seconds to shoot. Von Dalangin drops it down low. Jacob Deato.
Right on
That's
time.
Reyes rather. Ganda naman ang pasa doon sa ilalim to a wide open Jacob Deato. Parang Lebron yun, oh, yung
Nice
misdirection
slip.
play.
Nice slip by Deato to get the 2-point. Relationship, always working. You're always working ang chinik. Sipag talaga na.
Siyempre, Chelsea Joyce yan eh. Meantime, touch passing from Quezon City. Kanino mapupunta ang bola? Another try and that one is good.
Iron Ramos getting his own miss and then that putback.
Ang Regalo with an offensive board. 6 ticks left. Down to 2. They have to put it up. Short.
Good line. Just a bit short on that 3-point attempt. Shot clock was winding down. He had to chuck that one up.
15-8. Under a minute remaining. Libreng-libre si Ramos. Point blank miss. Here's Santos, the spin. Ten seconds left here in the shot clock. A miss coming from Labong. 19. Short jumper. Can't get it to go. Etong si Herona. Medyo nanonervous ako sa mga ganong klaseng sitwasyon eh. Kasi ang lakas eh. Doon galing sa kabila eh. It was a 90-footer. Second quarter. Just begun. Charles Bechong here. Coach Anton de los Reyes and Nicole Lim at courtside. Here's the pass. Perfectly timed and accurate. Taglia finishing.
May top board pa doon.
Oh.
Ay, tapos kaliwa. What a finish. What a pass. Fast break for Valenzuela.
The bump. Pinigay dun sa kanyang kakampi. Ramos finally.
He didn't want to miss for the 5th time. Aaron Ramos knocking
Agaw.
down that short stab.
And this time, si Labong naman daw ang tatapos.
May closeout na kasi noon on Prince Kyle Labong. I should say Taglia. Ano ang last name ni
Ang ganda rin ng shoes, coach. Bagay dun sa kanilang jersey.
Basita yan. Kobe 9.
Gusto mo ba yan, coach?
Hindi ako makobe 9.
Basta even numbers.
Even numbers
Even
style.
numbers.
Gian missing on his first free throw. Good on the second.
Yeah, we had to say it. We had to say it.
Just to say it.
We had to say
Not
it.
saying Lorenzo is a dirty player or anything.
Valenzuela trailing by 10. 21-11. They go Panganiban against Deato. Regalo, medyo masikip dun sa kaliwang bahagi ng court. Regalo, Yun nga, nasikip nga talaga.
But that was a good pocket
Espasyo,
pass. That
oo.
was a good pocket pass to Panganiban on that pick and roll play. Hindi nga lang nakuha ni Andre yung pasa.
And ito, Franco Del Rosario hitting that three-pointer on the left wing. Regalo. No angle on that shot. Prince Labong in transition. They have the numbers. Setting up his teammate. Setting him back.
Too much passing on that pass break play for Quezon City.
Clark Javier. Ooh, lousy pass. Leading to a wide open Panganiban underneath.
Intercepted by Andre on that one. Point blank. There you go.
You can see Coach Louie. 30-19 is the score.
In full control, itong Quezon City. Dictating the tempo, dictating the pace, making sure that they're getting the stops, getting those turnovers for the side of Valenzuela.
Noah Manalastas, coach, their leading scorer with 8 points and 7 rebounds. Medyo matagal din tong naupo.
Nakapahinga rin.
Gatong Bata picks up the board. Von Dalangin. Isa na kay Mariano. Jaire. Now to Von. Back to Gatong Bato. Natapikan sa ilalim.
Tapikan, eh?
Noah Manalastas. 3 is good.
Cutting this lead down to 8 points. Wide open on that left wing was Noah.
Cutting the lead down. 8 points. 30-22. 35 seconds remaining here in the first half. Mariano. Can't get that one to go. Takbuhan na naman. Noah Manalastas bumitin. Noah Manalastas with a subtle flex after that one.
Strong move to the basket. Full head of steam. Nothing you can do. And Noah Manalastas.
Pound for pound fitness. Foul counted. Play of the quarter. Noah Manalastas indeed.
There's a foul on Lorenzo Mariano.
Fabulous move. Converting the three-point play. 20 seconds remaining here in quarter number 2. 5-point ball game. Shot clock is off. 12 seconds. Von Dalangin will miss. 8 seconds remaining. 5, 3. San Buenaventura with 2. Oy! Kaso traveling violation.
Sayang yun. That was a hook shot from 3-point territory.
That deserved a second look even if it didn't count.
Traveling daw, sabi ng ating officials.
Eto nga, tignan nga natin.
Ayun, no?
We have to give him his flowers. Kita mo naman yon.
Nowhere
Doubled.
to go yan. Nowhere to go.
Whoops! Pumasok.
Pasok kayo. Sayang. Would have cut the lead down to just a couple of points.
Ay, kaso hindi nga counted. Tignan na lang natin yung ating Chef's Magic second quarter highlights.
Again, Taglia finishing on the break. Trying to get this team back. Etong Valenzuela going on a run. Doing it with some great passes inside. Making their teammates look good. Andre Panganiban with that finish.
30-25, a 5-point lead at the end of 2 para dito sa panig ng Quezon City 8-8 Junior Giants. Quarters to go, still anybody's ball game. Nagsimula na po ang ating third period. Luke Santos going reverse, can't get that one in.
Went baseline, no angle. Medyo napalpal siya doon ng ring mismo.
Ako! Risky pass coming from Angelo Carrion. Aniano. Now to Kimot. Running jumper is in for Nathan Cruz of Valenzuela.
That time, better execution on their offense. Nathan Cruz getting something inside, something close for Valenzuela.
Here's Lim firing away. Overshoots. Rebound para kay Nathan Cruz.
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised, di ba?
Eh, tanong natin kay Nicole. Wala namang problema yun eh. Kayang-kaya ni Nicole alamin yan.
Yun na natin.
Kung ang tatay ba ni Jaire Gatumbato si Lou Gatumbato. Or kung may relation ba.
Yun.
Here's Ramos carving out some space. Nahuli ni Sasan. Duke Santos escaping the defense. That move cannot get more beautiful. Pound for pound fitness, foul counted, play of the quarter. Duke Santos, ganun lang coach. Walang kahit na anong reaction.
Splitting the defense with that spin move, getting fouled, just could not complete the three-point play opportunity. But Jaire, katong bato. There to clean
Nothing
up
you
the
could
mess.
do there. Ganun kalalim si Jaire. Lumalaki na ulit ang kalamangan ng Quezon City at 6. Agaw na naman dito. Junior Giants.
He's got the width. Malapad na bata.
Compensate naman. No?
Dami tayo nakikitang ganyan. Mga undersized bigs.
Pero tank build.
Oh.
The push off by Bermudez. The cut by Manalastas. That one is in.
Good drop pass. Manalastas. Nice cut to the basket.
Brady comes up with a steal. Prince Labong takes it away from Brady. Here goes Prince to his teammate Jaire Gatumbato.
Trailing on that fast break attempt, and you gotta give Labong credit for that one, locating his big who was running behind it.
Bermudez na naman. Ibigay sa ilalim kay Brady. Sasablay. Herona. And that one goes in para kay Jan Herona.
Finally getting a bucket from the baseline after a couple of a few tries in the first half.
Franco Del Rosario will miss. Duke Santos na naman. Iikot. Binigay dito sa ilalim kay Ramos. Beautiful pass. A minute remaining. Ooh, somebody's down on the floor. Definitely there will be a review. It's fourth and final quarter. Last 10 minutes of action. And nagsimula na po dito sa ating De La Costa Homes 2 covered court sa siyudad ng Caloocan. Charles Beichong, Coach Anton de los Reyes, Nicole Lim at courtside. 45-38 is the score. And Coach, meron ng sagot si Nicole Lim. Nakuha niya na kung kamag-anak ba ni Jaire Gatumbato. Si Lou Gatumbato. Maraming salamat, Nicole. Tiyuhin daw pala.
Tito niya. Yep. Again, para sa mga I'm sure may mga may kilala dyan, no? Si Lou Gatumbato, point guard ng Benilde, College of St. Benilde. That was, I would say, back in the maybe late 90s, 98, 99, 2000.
Ibigay sa ilalim, Sam Sasan against Prince Labong. The step through. Umikot yung bola papasok ng ring.
There you go. Finishing on that one, Sasan.
Ang ganda rin ginawa niya, Coach. Alam niya si Labong yung bantay niya. Might be 5 inches tall, shorter than him.
Yep.
Manalastas grabs the board. Regalo. And that one is good para dito kay Sam Sasan.
Oh, look now. Here's a run from Valenzuela. A 6-2 run.
Aaron Ramos, the spin. Beautiful drop step from the big guy.
Baseline drive or baseline spin from Aaron.
Nawala yung depensa dun eh. Manalastas. 10 seconds remaining. 3-pointer on the way. Regalo will miss. Sasan grabs the board against Ramos. Natapikan ni Prince Labong. Del Rosario. And Noah Manalastas got a piece of that leather. Here he goes, Noah. Setting up Sam Sasan. Bumitin. Kanya pa din ang bola. Sam Sasan na butata. Traveling violation.
The interior defense, Jaire Gatumbato, making his uncle proud for sure. Here's that fast break, that short jumper, Sasan knocking it down. That cut the lead. Sasan.
Agad namang nag-apiran yung dalawa, tapikan. Oh, Lorenzo Mariano! Getting his first basket of the ball game.
Big three to come at that to give them some breathing room. 8-point lead.
Jan can't get that one to go. Ramos picks it up. Here goes Prince Cabog. Prince, binigay ulit kay Mariano. At mahina yung pasa. Swings it to the other side. Duke Santos going right, going to his left. Kanya pa din ang bola. Duke fading away. 2 chances for Duke. Can't capitalize. Bermudez on the move. Noah Manalastas is short. Pero kanya pa din. Napunta yung bola. Sam Sasan takes the 3. Can't make it. The follow-up is good. Plus the foul.
That's Andre Kimon with that offensive rebound, that tip-in. Para makaka 3 points na rin sila dito.
Pound for pound fitness, foul counted. Play of the quarter. B-League ready. Itong si Andre Kimot, not really relied on in terms of the offensive load ng kanyang koponan. Pero pag nando doon, syempre, take advantage. (52-46). Duke Santos. Now Mariano. Back to Duke. 7 seconds left. Prince Cabog. Sablay. Tapi ka ng bola. Herona's down on the floor once again. Holding on to his shin. Mga muscles, yung mga ligaments. Lorenzo Mariano na naman. Can't go back to back. Rebound Jaire Gatumbato. Passes it to the wrong guy. Manalastas na tapika ni Cabog. Here's Jaire Gatumbato. Lays it up and in.
Maganda pa doon yung pag-stay ni Jaire Gatumbato down on the floor as he will be able to finish that fast break.
So Noah Manalastas not giving up on the play here in this ball game. 6 points lang ang kalamangan itong Quezon City. Malayo pa.
Double performance. Noah Manalastas, 18 points, 11 rebounds.
Sa ilalim, Aaron Ramos. Takbo na naman itong mga nakaputi. Andre Kimot natapika ni Prince Cabog. Aaron Ramos. This time he makes it sure.
Did not miss on that fast break attempt.
So far with 7 points. Make that 8. Still within striking distance itong Valenzuela Junior Classic.
Kayang-kaya pa.
We have seen stranger things happen. Nung nakaraan sa Las Piñas, kami ni Justin, 50 seconds remaining. 7-point lead.
Diba? Nag-overtime yun eh. 9-point lead lang ha. Sabi mo nga, 50 seconds, 7-point lead. Nag-overtime, double pa. 16 under din ba yun?
16 under yun.
Aray
Tamang-tama. Kaming dalawa ni Justin Almeida yun. Tapos sasama mo pa ng Quinn Barcarce.
Patay tayo. Ito si Nicole.
Nakailang overtime na ba si Nicole dito sa Junior MPBL? Ngayong season daw, hindi pa.
Nako. Delikado yung mga ganyan. Ayaw na daw ni Nicole. Uwing-uwi na si Nicole.
Last 2 minutes of action. Von Dalangin natapikan. Here's Andre Panganiban on the move. Pinigay dito kay Manalastasu. Knocks it down. From the right elbow. Cutting the lead down to just 5 points with 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining here in quarter number 4.
Great defense being shown. Andre Panganiban, unselfish, giving it to Noah Manalastas for that elbow jumper.
And a timeout has been called by Quezon City 8-8 Junior Giants, 58-53. So si Nicole Lim, wala pang overtime ngayong season. Tayong dalawa, wala pa rin tayong overtime ngayong Junior MPBL natin. So, mukhang
Interesting
nga ito as Lim finds an opening. He took advantage of it. Back to a 7-point one.
Marcus Lim.
Oops, and there's a foul.
Only his first 2 points. Talking about Marcus Lim driving inside.
Totoo nga yung sinasabi mo, Coach. No? Si Marcus Lim yung naka-layup.
Same foul.
Siya yung foul. Talagang ano yan eh. Palaisipan pa rin talaga sa atin yan kung bakit ganun.
Makulit nga yung ganun eh.
Pag nag-aral tayo ulit, gawa tayo ng thesis na ganun.
Malabo na yan, Bo. 47 na ako. Hindi na ako mag-aaral.
Andre Panganiban. Dalangin.
Oh.
Losing his defender. Von Dalangin smokes the layup. Bermudez steps into a 3. No. Rebound Manalastas. Gets himself wide open. Sablay pa din. Gets his own miss. 3-pointer on the way. Sobra yan.
Matindi ang mga dasal ni Nicole. Nakikita ko siya eh. Talagang, sablay.
What about that move
That
from
before
Von
that,
Dalangin?
yeah. Broke the ankle of Bermudez.
Bigla agad gustong bumawi ni Bermudez pagbaba eh. Bigla tumira ng press. Hindi pumasok pero may agaw si Anyano dito. He's against Labong. Bermudez 3. Short. It's gonna be a foul on Anyano. Just their second team foul.
Napa sa penalty, okay lang.
Kaso, 5 na ang foul nito ni Anyano. .45 seconds remaining. Prince Cabog. Oops, there's a foul, I believe, on San Buenaventura. Still not in the penalty. Etong panig ng Valenzuela.
One more and they're going to be at the limit. So they need 2 team fouls to be able to stop the clock.
.37 seconds. 5-point ball game. Bola ng Quezon City. Quick trigger para kay Aaron Ramos will miss.
Sorry, miss for Aaron Ramos. Quick release. He got the shot that he wanted, or that's a shot that he can convert.
Could have sealed the deal para
Yep.
dito sa Quezon City.
Actually.
Sam Sasan. Now Bermudez firing away. Oh! He knocks it down! A big shot from Jericho Bermudez. His first three-pointer of the contest could not have come at a better time. 60-58.
But the coaching staff of Quezon City, they're saying na meron daw hatak ng net. Actually, meron.
Basket interference.
Yes, meron. Actually, if you see it on the review, on the replay, meron talagang basket interference. So let's see if our officials are going to check on this one or if it's going to be a let-go situation. Wala naman.
Oh, mukhang wala nga.
So that basket stands just a 2-point lead para dito sa Quezon City with possession. 24.7 seconds.
May nakadagan pa, may nakasandal pa ron sa ilaw, namatay. Buti, naibalik naman. 60-58. 20 seconds remaining. Nobody's fouling, and there it is. Do you foul, coach? Down
Play the free
two.
throw game. Try to go for the steal, quick foul, yeah. Free throw game na to. The 2-point lead, you're gonna hope that they make
Best
they
case
miss
scenario.
both. No, best case scenario, they miss both. You get a chance to tie or go for the win, or they miss one, chance to tie and go for that overtime.
Jaire Gatumbato on the line. First one is a miss for Jaire.
Needs to make one to force that 3-point shot.
Another one for a bit of insurance. Not totally out of the woods, but have, better chances. Makes the other. 3-point ball game. 16 and a half seconds.
Now you force the hand of Valenzuela to take a 3-pointer, so you need to guard the 3. But with 16.5 seconds, you're going to be inbounding from the sideline. Look, if the 3 is there, take it. If it's not, go for the quick 2 and then foul. And that's when you start playing the foul game.
We'll see what Coach Bagot Epino has, or Coach Luis San Buenaventura rather, has in store for us. 61-58, 16.5 seconds remaining.
If you're Valenzuela playing defense, switch all. Switch na yan. Switch. Can't fight over those ball screens. You gotta go and switch.
Biggest lead of the ball game at 13.
Yep.
For Quezon City, 8-8 Junior Giants. Valenzuela Impact Ballers have come a long way. 16 and a half seconds. Bermudez. Bingo! Tie ball game. Ball is live. 12 seconds remaining. Duke Santos with 7. Diego Gatumbato with 4. Dalangin. Oh! Bon Dalangin! Living on a prayer!
What a shot from Bon Dalangin. Right when we thought there was no more time left, look at Bermudez's shot first. No timeouts called by Coach Bagot. And Bon Dalangin knocking down that big 3-pointer.
Oh my goodness!
What a finish.
There's nobody enjoying this more than Nicole Lim. 2.2 seconds. Still, meron pang oras, coach.
pa.
Meron pang oras, Nicole. Huwag ka munang magsaya dyan. 64-61. 2.2 seconds. What will Valenzuela do?
I say foul.
Yeah.
For Quezon City, foul. Let them shoot the two-pointer.
San Buenaventura, off to the left! Quezon City escapes the impact bowlers. Wow! Big shot after big shot after big shot. What a way to end the day. Last game for a reason, coach.
Right when we thought that this was gonna go into overtime, Von Dalangin, that was a broken play. Oh, they wanted to go Duke Santos. They wanted Duke Santos to take that last shot. At Von Dalangin.
Mga kaliga, kasama ko nga ngayon ang ating Chef's Magic Player of the Game from Quezon City 828 Junior Giants, no other than Aaron Ramos. Aaron, congratulations on getting this win. This is a crucial win para sa inyo, and knowing na halos bago ka lang sa inyong team, paano mo napanatili ang composure mo throughout the game?
Lagi lang po maging consistent, tapos sumusunod lang po kay coach. Tapos unahin lang po yung depensa.
Aaron, meron ka bang gustong batiin o pasalamatan?
Sa Agra Decidido Corporation, sa H2 Life Source, Lourdes School of Mandaluyong, tapos sa mga kay Tito, kila Tito, sa coaches ko po at sa family ko po na nakasuporta sa ate kuya, papa, tapos sa mama ko po. Tapos sa school ko po, sa Bethel Christian School, sa coaches po doon kay Coach Sergio, Coach Lito, Coach Tim, tapos sa Doc Boleros po, tapos sa Migrapix, yun lang po.
Once again, congratulations to our player of the game and to Quezon City 828 Junior Giants. And now, let's take a look to our assessment and defensive player of the game.
Thanks so much, Miss Nicole Lim. Tignan natin ang ating Hustle Club Defensive Player of the Game. Noah Manalastas coming up big, not the tallest player, but grabbed the most rebounds. 15 big rebounds, a couple of steals and a couple of blocks. And of course, ang ating Don Benitos, assist man of the game, Prince Kain Labo from Quezon City 828 Junior Giants. Didn't start here in this ball game, but definitely made a big impact. And that concludes all the 9 games.
Sayang yung mga shoot ni Noah pag hindi sila nanalo. Ang ganda na yung pinakita laro ni Noah. Ako nga ninenervyos. Ninenervyos ako. Ako din nila eh. May coupon discount ka.
Shout out!
Ayan, thank you. Wag susuko. Walang susuko sa laban.
Nindol ako eh.
Anong pangalan?
Ano po, shout out po kay Jo Regalo.
Ayan, shout out po
sa kapitbahay namin, fan niyo po.
Ayan, shout out po.
Sa Jerry.
Thank you. Walang susuko. Kuya Luis, ano masasabi mo kay Noah?
Magaling po na. Ganda mo nang alam, pinakita niya.
Sayang. Pero pinakita naman niya yung ano niya eh. Galing niya talaga sa pagbobola. Ayan, uuwi na po kami mga kadyali. Uuwi na kami mga kadyali.
Noah.